based on CS50 Finance, and it works with storage. On the home page you can see some information about goods, stocks and other. On goods page is the table with data about vendor code, name, quantity of goods and storage number where goods contain. In work with goods menu, you can choose one of three operations with goods: purchase from the provider, selling to the buyer, and transfer between storages. In goods specification menu, we have all specifications new vendor code option. In storage menu we have all storages and new storage option. On history page is there a table with records for all action we did with goods. A little right we have changed password and logout, of course. So how it works? For example, I want to add 50 pieces of fruits into new storage. I choose a new vendor code option in Good Specifications menu, then fill out the form. After that, I choose a new storage option in All Storage menu, then repeat my actions. As you can see, new good and new storage were added. Now I choose a purchase option with work with goods menu, then use a new data to fill out the form. Done. Let's see a history. Well, all is okay. It's based on CS50 Finance